Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to install Remark's exhaust system for the sport touring hatchback, and everything looks good. The resonator, pipe on the rear, and the rest. So there's like three pieces you connect, so hopefully it doesn't take me long. And they actually gave me a little keychain and stickers, but hopefully it's not as loud as I want it to be. So yeah, hopefully you like the video. All right guys, I took off the stock muffler. It was pretty hard. The bolt is 14 if you were trying to find. In the back was a bit hard because I don't have much room. Good thing I'm a small guy, I fit in the back barely. And I jacked it up using this jack point so I can put my jack stands on the side. It's not much, but my jack could not let me go any higher, so I just left it like that. I use soapy water so I can take out the hangers on all of them. Pretty much that's how it is. And I'll install. This is the impact I used to take out the 3 bolts from the rear. That was a pain on the neck, and I buy an adapter 1/2 to 3/8. And if you wanna know how to take these clips, there should be 1 and 2 little screws, Philip, and you just pry it out, push it out, and it will come out easily. All right, this one's gonna be the first one to go in from the front to the rear. This is the next pipe I need to install. I use blue Loctite, thread Loctite, so it can grab good, and in the future they don't fall out. It's not recommended, but I'd rather do it. I don't wanna the pipes start unscrewing or falling apart. All right, now the last 2, the rear, the tips and everything, that's next. Almost there guys. Took me a while, but no rush for me. Before anything, take out the rubber pieces and put it on the hanger so it can be much easier to put in on the on top. Yeah, except for that one, for that little hanger rubber, and just pry it back in. So far I already did one. It looks good. To get the skid plate, there's some clips and screws that you need to take out so I can go down, so you can have an easier access for the pipe on the front, so you can take it off, the 3 bolts. And as well, I use the original bolts because the stock down pipe are insert nuts on it, so yep, I didn't use the ones they gave me. Yep. So there you go you guys, already installed it. Looks nice. This one's a bit higher than this side. You cannot notice, but it's just by a bit, not a lot, but it does look good. And I'm about to do a cold start.